Hey guys, it's Mr. Thomas, and today we're going to be playing Snoring today on Cool Math. So, as you probably can tell, Cool Math games right there. Definitely. Alright, we're going to go to start game. This is going to be a new game for us. Actually, don't have it. Alright, we got this. Start! Come on, you stupid thing. There we go. It's lagging. Probably lags when I record. Alright. That's easy. This is too easy. I know. Okay, I'll try. I'm clicking it. Okay. Okay. Yeah! We got it. We got it. Woo! Yeah. Boom, we did it. Circus, opera, circus, opera, opera. I like the music when it ends. I know, your stupid game. Yeah, woohoo! I keep on getting into the 90s for some stupid reason. Oh no. I know. Ah! Boom, 101. I know what to do, you stupid game. Snoring. Yeah. Let's do it. Get this. This level's so easy. Hold on. It's probably the pig noise in the game. Alright. Dang it. Oh. Never mind. Dang it! Only thing I can do is, do that one. I can't, wake up the outfit in this one. Dang it! No, I'm on level 7. Come on! Stupid freaking zebra! We're done. We're done. I go sleep. I'm awake. I'm not that sleepy. I'm just. Oh, okay, I'm awake. I'm awake, guys. I'm awake. Wide awake. I'm so cold. So cold. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Let's do this. We got this in the bag. Of course we do. Ah! Alright. 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 Oh my gosh! Why? This is always have to happen. I'm like, hey! Alright, guys, can you please help me? Okay, I know you guys can't come in my room for real. Oh! Oh! I did it! I don't need your help, guys, anymore. Yeah, I did all by myself. But I did kind of have trouble. Oh, no! There we go. Next level. Here we go. Here we go. We got this. Ah! Oh! Headshot. Headshot with the baldness. Come on! Tip over, yes! Woo! Goes nothing. I should have did it the other way. I should have did it like this. And then what to do, I just... Dang it. I need to try again. Come on! Oh, I got it. I got it. No, it's gone. Yeah! Woo! 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 Yeah, we got it. No! Stupid pig. Stupid pig. There we go. Boom! Woo! All right. No! Dang it! I was so close. Oh! I still did it! Oh! I don't know how to do this part, actually. Oh, nah! Nah, never mind. No. Actually, we have to do it at the owl. I know what to do. Alright, so... Okay, when it gets close, we do that. No! Yes! It still worked! Yeah! 86? That was 96. What? Okay, whatever. Alright. This one's the easiest one. Level 13 is easy. Oh. Oh! Boom! Nailed it! Nailed it! Oh! Yeah! Woo! We got it. Alright. No! Aiming at the wrong time. Dang it, dang it, dang it. I aimed it at the wrong time. I did it at the wrong time. No! I did it before. Ah! I have to try a couple times. Come on, come on! What? It was lagging! It was lagging! Hello? Hello? There we go! The game was so glitchy! It was so laggy. Okay, we got it. Boom! Yeah! Woo! Alright, we got this. Just soon, Oh, I know what to do! I know what to do! Dang, I did it wrong. There we go. Okay, this game keeps on lagging. Maybe I should do a different website or story. Never mind, because I'm not. Oh. I'm not gonna do it. Oh, okay, I'm just joking. Oh no! I did it at the wrong time! No! Boom! Headshot! That better work. I did it at the wrong time. It's too late. See? The pig fall. The pig fall. Pig fall. What the heck? Why? Why did the pig fall? I'm on level 15. Look at that. There's 35 levels. My total score is 1360. I hope you can beat that. Beat my score, 1360. If it's higher than that, I'll beat yours. Woo! Oh! Oh! 100. Alright, we got this, guys. Alright. What did I do? No! Alright, guys, I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I'm back. So level 16 again. Oh my gosh, just level again. Well, I want to anyway, so let's do it. Come on, this better be good. Oh, yes, come on. What? It was the stupid lag. The lag messed me up. You know that stupid lag messed me up. We're gonna try one more time. Alright, we can do this, guys. We got this. We got this. Ah! We don't got it. Alright. So that is the end of the video here. Now, I hope you guys like this video here. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Got try. No, I'm just kidding. Don't gotta. Goodbye. And see you guys in the next one. Bye.